Hey guys, hey friends. I'm in my kitchen and I've got my Scrubby stuff and there's a couple things that I need to take care of, and I thought that I would pull you in and show you a little bit more about this Scrubby stuff. I have loved this stuff for many years. So let me see if I can get my camera set up and not dump it in the sink. All right, let's see. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, so here I have two of my Corelle bowls, and they've just come out of the dishwasher, and I don't know, let's see, it's a little bit bright right here, but here's a spot, a rust spot, and then here's another one. Let's see if you can see this. Can you see this? Hey, Patricia. And there's a couple there, that's showing up well. These are a couple more spots. I don't know, they come out of the dishwasher and they just, I think they're like rust spots. So we're gonna see what the Scrubby stuff can do for that. And then you probably have one of these. This is my pretty cast iron ceramic lined pot that I use for like soups and stuff. And do you see how it's kind of grungy looking? Now I just hand washed this and it's got like stains at the bottom. Okay, so we're gonna give Scrubby stuff a try and see how we do. All right, so here's my Scrubby stuff. And I'm gonna use one of these sponges. You probably have one in your kitchen. And I'm just gonna put like a little bit, this is the paste, my Scrubby stuff paste. And this is like really wet, and I'm putting just the corner into the paste. Okay, so let's give it a try. I can't quite get my camera right so that you can see this well. Let's see. All right, there's before. Oh my gosh. Okay. Bam! Stain gone, you guys. Okay, and then there's just this little spot. Do you see that little rust spot? Okay, so just kind of get that going there. Okay, look at that. That was not hard at all, was it? Okay. Let's see if we can get this cast iron ceramic lined pot to get the stains out. So, let me get set up here. Okay. The trick is not to get my phone in the sink. I'm sorry, I'm having a little bit of a hard time. Okay. There. Okay. Hey, as you come on, say hi so I can say hi back, okay? All right, so this is my beautiful maroon cast iron pot that my mom got me. I love it. I use it for chili and soups and things like that. And it just really, it's been hand washed, but it really needs a little bit of attention every once in a while, and you kind of got to be careful with it because it's a ceramic lining. All right, so let's add some more water to the sponge. All right, I'm gonna dip it in my Scrubby stuff. Okay, let's see if you can see that. Okay, so I have a little bit of my sponge. All right, so let's give this a try. Let's see, can you see it? Oh, I should have taken a before and after of this. All right, let's rinse this out. So you'll notice that I'm not wearing gloves to use this product. because it's an organic, non-toxic product. Okay, so it still looks a little bit stained, but it's a lot better than it was. So, okay, I hope that was helpful and a little bit entertaining as you watch me wash dishes. All right, thanks for tuning in, you guys. See you later. Okay, I have one more thing I want to try. It's Scrubby stuff versus my wok. Let's see if I can get some good light in here. Get this, maybe if I go down a little bit further. Okay, all right. So this is a carbon steel hand-pounded wok. And it's kind of gross. I've hand washed it, but it needs some more attention. So let's see what the Scrubby stuff. Let's see what the Scrubby stuff can do, okay? All right, so I put more water on my sponge, and I'm gonna get some of the Scrubby stuff in here. Okay, all right, so let's go to it. Let's see. Oh wow, yeah. Do you see that? I should have it like more light down here, I guess. So if you were to get this Scrubby stuff, what would you use it on? What projects do you have at your house that you'd like to try it on? And if you have a glass top stove that gets those rings, oh my gosh, you're gonna love this. Because it takes those rings right off. So it looks a lot better, right? Give it a little bit more of a go. All right, we've scrubbed long enough, huh? Okay, so there's still a couple more spots, but would you agree with me that that looks a lot better? Okay, you guys, thanks so much for tuning in. Catch you later.